I don't think there'll be any problems. Alright guys, quick little video here. I'm at work. My coworker wanted to experience the turbo Civic, so that's what we're gonna give him a little test drive. Very humid, wet, so we're not gonna have any traction most likely, but yeah, we'll just make the best out of it, get his impressions. I don't know if he's ever been in like a modified car like this. Again, this car is really slow. It's just a little faster than it was stock. Oh, is there?
It's all good, it's all good. Is that the noise of the turbo?
I mean, you could hear a little bit of it, yeah. Loud as fuck, right?
Yeah.
I can't see shit because you know, the humidity.
Damn. Is that backfire? That's not
Yeah,
backfire.
that's
Is that?
backfire. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna just keep the light on because I'm shooting a video too.
No problem. Where's the camera? Oh, you got it there. Nice. Yeah, let's put a seatbelt on.
Yeah, yeah.
This is recording and shit. Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I was texting you. I was like, come on.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, because this guy got me like, you know, take out the windows and stuff. So take care of that. It's fogging up.
It's crazy, yeah. And I don't want to run the AC either because the AC is gonna, you know, slow me down.
Yeah. But what is the noise though? What does it sound exactly?
So it's half turbo sound and just half exhaust noises. You know? Like just right now it's just mainly exhaust.
Okay.
But like this noise, like the little whistle.
Yeah.
That's the turbo.
That is a turbo.
Yeah.
Okay. We're revving it up, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Like.
Gotcha.
And then you heard that little.
Yeah.
That's what the blowout valve is like. What excretes all the extra gas or air.
Got it.
I'll give you a little pull. I just need a nice little road.
Yeah.
Usually it's not this loud.
Yeah.
But like I said, a couple days ago, I just took off the muffler because I wanted to see how obnoxious it can be. And it's pretty obnoxious.
Yeah.
You know?
It's pretty loud, bro. You can hear it from like, you know, like far away. Pretty nice, man. Record this shit too. Good time.
I'm gonna run in here. You ready?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Loud as hell.
It's loud as fuck. Yeah, so we got the infamous BULLI kid right here next to me of his car, and you know, like this guy's showing out the R18 turbo. Is it?
R18 turbo.
But it's fine that's it because that works on his cars, and you know, it's pretty cool. You can hear the backfiring, guys. That's the backfiring, right?
Super loud.
Yeah, it's loud as hell. It's loud as hell.
I'm surprised I haven't gotten pulled over yet to be. From a stop.
shit, bro.
It's loud, bro.
It's loud as hell. Damn.
Yeah, I mean, it's obnoxious, man. I can't even imagine how it sounds from outside, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, that noise. It's definitely a lot, because I mean, I can hear the like muffler not being there noise as well.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, that noise is there combined with this noise. You know, like,
you hear a lot of. There's a lot of audio stuff going on.
There's definitely something, bro.
She's been running good though,
yeah.
You know, like for me doing all the tuning and everything.
You have like 100,000 miles on this?
Yeah, I just crossed 100.
Gotcha. It's not bad, bro. It's pretty decent.
What do you think? Man?
Yeah, it's pretty decent, bro. I mean, 100,000 miles on a Honda is like nothing.
It's a baby, man.
It's actually a baby, yeah. I mean, I've seen like cars like Hondas with like 300,000 miles on them, and like they run pretty fine though.
Yeah.
As long as you maintain it pretty good, you know.
Exactly.
It's a good car, bro.
I got two-step, so look. It just bounces out that rev limiter here.
Yeah. What was that though? The noise, the sound again. What was that again?
So yeah, that's just exhaust and backfire together. Yeah.
So that's just for the RPM, huh? You don't have a speedometer?
Right there.
Okay,
on
there.
top.
Okay.
Yeah, this one has a.
Okay.
It's different.
So you're saying that it's not really safe to drive it for road trip, right? Okay.
I mean, you probably can. You know, I don't think there'll be any problems.
That's what I want to hear, man.
You heard that bitch?
Oh yeah, I want to record that shit, bro. If I can get that on the camera, that'd be amazing. That'd be amazing, dude.
God damn, that shit was loud.
Yeah, that was loud as fuck. You can still hear it though. You can still hear it. Nice and easy, man. Damn. Does that damage the engine by any chance? Like,
Well, it definitely,
it would definitely, right?
It definitely could blow.
It could blow the engine
It
out.
could blow. And I mean, I'm beating the piss out of the car right now.
On top of that, like it's an automatic, so you don't really control the transmission, though, right?
Yeah, like I've learned a way to make it work. You know. You know, I'll actually drop you off here.
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna post up because I still gotta let it cool off.
Gotcha. No
But I'll be in like 5 minutes.
No problem, man. Take your time. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Awesome,
It's pretty good. You think we can hook this up to like a freaking hybrid as well, or you don't think so?
No,
right?
Not with the hybrid.
Not with the hybrid.
Nah.
even if it was not a hybrid, you still wouldn't be able to. Like,
No, if it's not a hybrid, you could do it.
You could
yeah, but hybrid, it'll be tricky, man.
Yeah, I mean, because a lot of times the engine doesn't even start in the fucking hybrid.
Yeah.
When you're driving. Yeah, dude, it's pretty cool, bro. Thanks a lot.
All right, man. I'll be back
for all that, bro.
No problem,
nice.
man.
I'll see you soon, all right?
All right.
Thanks.
Crazy good. I mean, I just beat the piss out of this car, guys. The piss out of it. Back and back again. And she's running good. I'll just do a circle lap here just to cool this puppy off, and we'll get back to work. Over and out.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need ya. Dreams